Our today's topic is fractions. Now, what are these fractions? Whenever we have to show a part of something, we use fractions. Assume this is our earth. Now, earth has been divided into 4 parts. Do you know, on this earth, Almighty has given us plenty of water. All the 3 parts are covered with water, and 1 part is land area. So, how much water is on earth? 3 by 4. That means 3 parts out of total 4 parts is water. And how much is land? Yes, 1 by 4. That is 1 part out of total 4 parts. Okay, so these are the fractions. Now, in fractions, the above number is known as numerator. And the below number is known as denominator. Okay, the above number is known as numerator and the below number is known as denominator. We have basically 2 types of fractions, proper fraction and improper fractions. Proper fractions are the fractions in which numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. For example, 4 by 5. The numerator is smaller and the denominator is bigger. Okay, so this is a proper fraction. Similarly, we can have 3 by 6 or 2 by 8. These are all proper fractions as the numerator is smaller and the denominator is bigger. Similarly, in improper fractions, we have numerator as bigger and denominator as a smaller number. So wherever you see numerator as bigger and denominator as smaller, consider it as improper fraction. Now under proper fraction, we have one more type, that is unit fraction. Okay, now what are the unit fractions? Whenever the numerator is 1, it is known as unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 3. These all are unit fractions as the numerator is 1. Also, the improper fractions can be written as mixed fractions. The improper fractions can be written as mixed fractions. How? Let's see. For example, there is an improper fraction 5 by 2. Now, how we will write it in mixed form? We will divide 5 by 2. So, when we will divide 5 by 2, we get, so the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 1. Now, the mixed fraction is written in the form like quotient remainder upon denominator. Okay, quotient will be written in the center, then remainder will be the numerator and the denominator will be the denominator only. Okay, it will be same. So in this case, it can be written as quotient is 2, so 2 we will write here. The remainder is 1, so 1 we will write here, and the denominator is 2, so 2 we will write it here again. Okay, so 5 by 2 can be written as 2 1 by 2. It is read as 2 1 by 2. Let's understand this with one more example. For example, 13 by 3. So in this case, the quotient will be 4 and the remainder will be 1. So how we will write? Quotient will come here in the center, so 4, then remainder, that means remainder will be 1, like 1 will be the numerator and the denominator is 3, so we will write down 3 here. So 13 by 3 can be written in the mixed form as 4 1 by 3. 4 1 by 3. Now just like we have converted mixed improper fraction into mixed fraction, in the same way we can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction also. For example, you got a mixed fraction as 3 2 by 4. So what you have to do? You have to first multiply these two numbers. Okay, these 3 and 4 you have to multiply, then you have to add 2 in this. Let's see how. 4 3 times is 12. Then you will add the remainder part, that is 2 here. So 2, or you can say numerator, and the denominator will remain the same, that is 4. So it would equals to 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 by 4. Okay, so 3 2 by 4 can be written as 14 by 4. Now we have two more types of fraction, that are like fraction and unlike fractions. What are these like fractions? Whenever the denominator is same, for example, there are many fractions, for example 3 by 5, then 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 8 by 5. So here, as you can see, the denominators are same, that is 5 only. So these all fractions are like fractions. Okay, so the fractions which have denominator as same are known as like fractions. Okay, just opposite are the unlike fractions. So whenever the denominator and numerator both are different, they are known as unlike fractions, like 3 by 5, then 1 by 2, 6 by 8. So here, as you can see, the numerators are also different and the denominators are also different. So these are known as unlike fractions because they do not have anything alike in between.